You need to watch this if you think pigeons are just flying rats. Spoiler alert, these birds can do math. That's right. Pigeons can actually understand numbers and do basic math. Scientists have taught these feathered friends to count and even compare quantities. Imagine a pigeon solving math problems like a tiny feathered Einstein. They've been tested to recognize numbers and even perform simple addition and subtractions. I mean, who knew that pigeons could be the next mathlete champions, right? So next time you see a pigeon, give it a nod of respect. It might just be smarter than you think. Pigeons not just cooing but calculating. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing animal facts.